I have been battling bishop weed in my flowers. I have tried pulling and mulching, and it just comes back. Can a careful application weed killer kill bishop weed, or do I just have to accept it? And this is Linda from Lancaster, Ohio. You have any thoughts about that, Alainia? Now, understand it's already in her flower bed, so there's other flowers there. So yeah, she just wants to be careful about using maybe a chemical.
You may have to hand put on your weed killer, which could be tedious, but if you pull them up, you could be damaging the roots on your flowers, and apparently they keep coming back each year. So you're gonna have to get that weed killer on the leaves, let them carry the weed killer down to the roots, and then hopefully that'll damage the roots enough that you won't have to deal with them popping back up again.
That's good, that's good. I know this, another name is goutweed. I know about goutweed. This is perennial, grows by rhizomes, spreads by rhizomes, very difficult to control. If you pull it up, you better make sure you get all of it, because if you don't, it's gonna come back mad. All right, it's gonna spread all over the place. Mr. D, I know that you can use glyphosate, you know, read and follow the label, of course. Triclopyr is something else you can use, read and follow the label, because it does translocate down into the roots.
Yeah.
It's gonna be multiple applications.
Yep, right, multiple applications, but I like your idea of
painting,
of hand doing it, and I'll give you an idea of a way you can do that without a pretty safe way you can do that. Rubber gloves, put rubber gloves on, and then cotton jersey gloves over the rubber gloves, and you're going to simulate a rope wick applicator. You dip that, and then you just wipe it on the leaf.
I like that. So it's the wipe technique or the painting technique.
Right, and I mean you could use a brush, but you're going to have dripping and stuff like that. But if you do that, and just rub those leaves, then you can get really into it.
I like that a lot better than the paintbrush. That's very hands-on, and you feel like you're really getting in there and just about pulling them.
Put it on the leaves you want it on, and
just protect your, of course, your other plants, your desirable plants, of course.
You put it on those nice healthy leaves, because they will very rapidly translocate and go to the root and kill the plant, maybe. But it is tedious. And
it is tedious
and it
work.
will be, you won't, one time won't do that. That'll be all summer long, but eventually
it will play
you take it out.
It will play out.
Right, eventually it will. Yeah, so thank you for that question. Yeah, it'll be tedious, but it will work over time. Just be careful, read and follow the label. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.